In this video, you'll have a chance to practice solving for the intersection between two equations in linear equations in general form using the method of elimination. So let me give you two equations to work with. 4x minus 5y equals 2, and 2x plus 2y equals 5. So go ahead and pause the video and begin to work this out. Okay, from what we learned in the previous video, you should compare the coefficients when the x and compare the coefficients for y. And looking at 4 and 2, it's clear that they're more closely related. 4 is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 2, where we would have to use 10 as the lowest common multiple for 5 and 2. So we're going to do two things in the solution. We are going to double the second equation, but we are going to make it negative. So we're going to multiply the second equation by negative 2. So let's see what that does for us. So we're simply going to rewrite the first equation. And if we multiply the second equation by negative 2, we get negative 4x minus 4y equals negative 10. Now we could have accomplished the same thing by multiplying the first equation by negative 1 and the second equation by 2. Either way will eliminate x. But eliminating x first in this case is easier than eliminating y. So when we add the left-hand sides together, the 4x and the negative 4x are going to be eliminated. That's why this is called the elimination method. So we end up with negative 9y is equal to the negative of 8. Clearly we can drop the negative signs and divide by 9, and we can get y is equal to 8/9. So we're halfway there. We still need to solve for x. We can substitute into either equation. Looks like the second of the two original equations is the simpler, so I will substitute in and get 2x plus 2 times 8/9 is equal to 5. Given that nothing divides out in the second term, I'm going to multiply everything through by 9. So I will get 18x plus 16 is equal to 45. So I multiplied both the left-hand side and the right-hand side in their entirety by 9. So now I can solve for x by subtracting 16 from both sides and get that 18x is equal to 29. So x should be 29/18. So the point of intersection is going to be 29/18, comma 8/9. That would be the solution to this problem.